Thank you for the kind and gracious introduction. I'm Tina Liao from Taiwan ITRI, and ITRI is the largest research institute, applied research institute in Taiwan. And then I'm in charge of international cooperation, not limited to the 6G, of course. And so this is the outline of my presentation slides today. I'll introduce you about 5G, about ITRI and Taiwan, and then some focus of our 6G technologies, and then also share with some academia research with you later. So may I just do a little survey? How many of you have been to Taiwan? Can you raise your hand? Wow, it's quite a lot. And how many of you have been to ITRI? Can you raise your hand? Wow, I'm quite impressed. Thank you. I hope I have the opportunity to invite every one of you to come to Taiwan to have our CG workshop, maybe next year soon. Okay. So we have our headquarters is in Hsinchu. Sorry, headquarters in Hsinchu, and that is where I located. And we have the central region and also the south region campus. And I know how to point it. Okay, I just wonder how to point it. And not only in Taiwan, we have several offices in the world, like in Japan and in Thailand, also in United States, in San Jose, and also in Berlin office. And then we are opening our UK office very soon in May, and then with very good support from the district and from the government of the UK as well. And not limited to what we are talking about, the 6G. And we have several different domains. We have other 5 core labs in ITRI and other 6 focus centers in ITRI as well. So, you know, the semiconductor, the optical electronics, and bioelectronics, etc. And then just here, give you some numbers of ITRI. So you have some idea, better understanding of what we are, like the revenue we have, the staff we have, and then the patents, and then the span of country. Providing the startup service is one of our focus as well. Okay. And maybe I should mention that my base is in Taiwan, Hsinchu now, but I'm going to relocate it to Berlin soon this year. Yeah, I'll be more close to you guys. Okay, so these slides show you our ITRI's role, is in foster our new emerging industry and also provide the service to the traditional industry. So it's back to 1970. ITRI was founded in 1973, so it's 52 years old. And at the time, we focused on the compound, material, and then semiconductor. So the world will know the TSMC, UMC was spin off from ITRI. If you visit ITRI, you must visit already, probably, the first fab, the TSMC's fab in ITRI, inside ITRI. Okay, so so in every decade, we have different focus of technologies. You can show it here. And of course, in 2025 now, we have focused on 6G, AI, and material, and also material steel, and also the energy, hydrogen energy, and robotic, and UMC, like those. Okay. So I think we have been doing quite fine, and so Taiwan is not big, but it really matters, I think. In the semiconductor related sectors, you can see the right-hand side. There are so many different market share in the world. We are the #1, like the IC foundry, packaging, of course. And then not limited to that, we have the wireless LAN, optical lamps, And in the ICT supply chain, maybe you don't know that, we produce the smartphone chips, 36% in 5G. Okay, and then Wi-Fi routers, 60%. And so we are not only good at manufacturing, Taiwan is very good at using those technologies as well. You can see our telecom infrastructure. maybe because Taiwan is small, so you can see our 5G population, our penetration rate coverage is pretty high. It's 94% for now. And then internet penetration is over 90%. Okay, yeah. So, so just give you some snapshots about our 5G and Open RAN ecosystem here. We have the end-to-end whole ecosystem in Taiwan. You can see the every steps from the UE side, from the RU side, from the DU/CU and the co-network side. Those are just some of the companies I highlight. It's not all of the companies. Those companies we collaborate with so far. And in the testing and in the testing field, we have 2 national authorized testing certification lab in Taiwan, which is TIP, and also the ORAN lab in Taiwan so far. So going to 6G, I would like to show you ITRI's perspective and our roadmap. In 6G, maybe I should introduce our funding agency as well. It's NSTC, National Science Council, National Science Technology Council, and Ministry of Economic Affairs. And also we have invited and have the tech giant companies like NVIDIA, like Micron, AMD, NSP, those having the R&D center in Taiwan. We believe this is very good foundation for the cooperation, for the 6G development. And we have the 3 main projects going. The first one is pre-6G. And those, the left-hand side, like you can see the RS, the ISAC, AI native, NTN, those we are having the prototyping now, is happening now in our campus. And then in the project 2, we developed our own chips, code chips. It's a FR3, RF, IC, and also the baseband IP as well. And in this technology project, we also have the network management as well. And then here we visit the Bristol University. Thank you for the Dimitri's host. And then we are very impressed about the junior, about the reason, about a lot of the demonstration. We would like to work with UK, work with you together. Like we are having our largest CG test trial in ITRI now. So, so it's very pretty much like the junior so far, okay? And then we are not working alone. We are working together with our industry. You can see the industry in the center. We work together in our LOS program. And then in the academia, they do the subsystem for us. And we combine, we integrate into our prototyping system and demonstrate these capabilities. And also, we are not working alone. We work together and also contribute to the international standardization. We work quite a lot with the CGSNS as well. So this is just the roadmap, the timeline. Just shows you like we align with the 3GPP timeline in every different technologies we demonstrate here. Okay, so here we have several prototyping. Just give you some ideas. Like we develop our FR3 array antenna, and then we cooperate with the MediaTek, and then we demonstrate in the Mobile World Congress already. And in CG Sandbox, we join the CG Sandbox project, and we are bringing for our prototyping to the Malaga city to deploy there this year. It's happening now. We have the glass rigs, the pin dial and liquid crystal rigs and CMOS rigs, different kinds of rigs. We are bringing those, and some is developed by our own, some is developed with our industry. So yes, I think we are the good partners for those corporations. And so this is just dive into a little bit more about this NTN collaboration. I think we successfully demonstrate these possibilities in Mobile World Congress this year with our Chunghwa Telecom, MediaTek, and Sharp and VRV, and use the key size simulator, emulator equipment. And then this, we won the NTN multi-orbit system R&D 100 award last year. Okay. So this is just some more example about our AI. The technology we develop is AI for the SMO, service management orchestration. And we have developed our own SMO and rig. It's intent-driven, just like it's in the release 18. You are very familiar with. So here, I'd like to introduce your junior program, our test trial. We are building the Taiwan's largest 6G test network in Taiwan, and in ITRI, actually. If you've been to ITRI, you must know how big is ITRI. It's about 43 hectares, and then you don't have any ideas, right? So 43 is like Cambridge University, the central side is 43, about the same. And then if you relate it to the Buckingham Palace, maybe the garden of the palace, the garden. And you are the football fans, is like 2.5 times of the Wembley Stadium. Yeah, so it's pretty big. So we are having developed, we are installing over 100 base stations in this campus. And then we are setting up the 3 major labs, ISAC for sensing and communication, and 3D network for connectivity testing, and also for the green energy efficiency lab. So we are working closely with our industry, and then we are working with CG Sensors, is a CGSNS project as well, and CG Sandbox. Hopefully, yeah, we are talking about the junior as well. So, and yeah, I think that is very important for the international cooperation. Yeah. So international cooperation is one of our top priorities in the CG development. So back to 5G time, we have the joint code with Horizon Europe. At the time, it's called Horizon 2020. And I just show you this because we have the cooperation with UK. Back to 2016, there's the project called Clear 5G in the Horizon Europe in this program. So we have 4 successful good cases already, right? So we look forward to collaborate with SNS in the future, and we can join. We also having some discussion in the new project as well. Okay. So about the testing lab, we work closely with 5 countries. United States, UK, the Sony lab, must have some experts here from the Sony labs, and also Germany, Indonesia, and Singapore. Okay. And maybe dive into a little bit more about the cooperation with the Sony lab. We cohort the test cases and in the tip, and develop the use cases for the tip, silver testing. Okay. So in CG, we are working with CG Sandbox, we just mentioned, and actually the one crucial partner is from UK as well, the Queen University Belfast. If anyone from here can, yeah, it would be great to get connected to. Okay, yeah, and also we have the UK-Taiwan collaborative R&D program, and then this is not limited to communication. So in communication in 6G, so far we have one project is working with IREK, and then the Shuri University. Okay, so we are developing our power efficient RNS solution together. So so international cooperation, the strategy is that we open. And then we are expecting the green efficiency and intelligence is our strategy. And we have already a lot of current partners, and we are looking for other cooperations. I have only 1 minute. So in the academia research, just show you there are several good universities in Taiwan, and then they have the key technology development topics over here. Okay. And then here, this page is just going into details about their prototyping in different area, like sub-terahertz and RIS, etc. If anyone of you are interested in collaborating in this, you can reach to me as well. I can connect it to you with them too. So the final page. So concluding, thank you. You know, we are very committed to the 6G, and then we have the good foundation from 5G and from Open RAN. And I think we are very good, trustworthy partners for the industry, for the global. And we already have several bilateral cooperation programs in those countries. And then we actively join SNS and also the Eureka, international network projects. So we are looking forward for more collaborations. Thank you so much for the invitation.